Step 1. Go to YouTube and watch your favorite video. Could be in anything. Step 2. You're gonna get paid like this one every single day, guys. Now, if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how you can make money watching YouTube videos and how you can get paid. There's a 4-step in the video. If you miss any of those, you can't make any money. So watch the video until the end for the step-by-step method. Before that, guys, if you guys interested in watching video like this one, make money online, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release a new video. And press the like button so other people can watch this video, they can learn and earn money online. Now go to YouTube and watch your favorite video. Could be anything, technology, you can do gaming, but in this case I'm going with this topic is called Facebook ad free course. I'm interested in Facebook ad because lots of people who are interested in entrepreneurship or e-commerce, they want to learn about Facebook ads. In the beginning, they can't pay money for that, so they come to YouTube for the Facebook ads. So what you have to do, go to YouTube and type Facebook ad free course. For me, it's a Facebook ad. You can promote anything. You can promote coding course on free coding course on YouTube or anything that you want. All you have to do is type your niche on the search bar. After that, what you do, select filters. Here you need to select this year because this video is completely new, it's not an old video. Then a code filter and type click the week count, which means is the video with this year released and has a high count, so you can promote those videos for other people. Then you can see these 3 videos I want to promote to other people, and I'm going to get paid for watching these videos. What you have to do is, first, before you continue that, you need to go to this website. It's called Google site, where you can build a basic landing page where you're going to put those 3 videos and you're going to get paid. There is a middle website going to pay you money for that, so you need to watch the video until the end. First, go to Google site, click any blank template that you want. I already opened that. I already added on here. This is the title, free Facebook ads. And you can see this is the image. It's not the video clip. This is the image, and this is the title. I click watch now. I'm going to show you the second video how you're going to add that. All you have to do, go to left hand side, click this first layout, and you will add it on here. Go back to YouTube. This is the video I want to promote, right? Click open that. Now you need to install this plugin called videocreek because it will bring the URL thumbnail of the videos for you to download. So you can see it on here. This is the thumbnail of the video. All you have to do is click that thumbnail. It will open next page, click and save image. That's it, guys. After you save images, what you do, go back to your Google site and you need to upload that image on here. Click upload, and this is the image. Now what you do for the title, go back to the video that you are download that. This is the video. Copy that title of the video. Now go back to Google site and put it on here. Now what you have to do, you need to add a button on here. Click the button here on the left hand side, and you need to put the same thing called watch now. Don't worry about the link because this is the link and it'll pay you money. Don't worry about that now. So click insert and drag and drop the button on here, right? Simple. Here, if you click a button on here, there's no link here, but because I'm going to show you where you can get the link and how you're going to get paid now. So you can do the same thing with other videos. You can promote 3 videos or 5 videos, up to you guys. Now I'm going to show you a website going to pay you money because you can see people are earning money every single day from this website. Before I show you that, because you need to have a PayPal account in order to get paid, because you can see lots of people are getting paid $5, $6 and $10, $19 through PayPal. So you need to go to PayPal and get that PayPal. Don't worry, there's other payment method if the PayPal is not available in your country. So this website is called R7 URL short. Its URL is 7r6.com. There's a link in the description. Go and click that. Basically what happens is you create an account, shorten the link and share the link, you earn money. So whenever people click that link, they will play the advertisement and you get paid for that. Now I'm going to walk you through how you can create an account with it. Click this sign up button on top of it, and you're going to fill this information like username, email and password, and retype that password. After you create your account with it, it will automatically take you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard gonna look like. This is the way the statistics show you how much click that you are getting and how much money you are getting. Also, you can refer to other people and you can get 8% commission from it. That's why I'm promoting it. There's a link in that. If you click and sign up, I get 8% in commission for that. You can promote that for other people, guys. Now what you have to do, you have to go to here and you're gonna click this one called new shorten link. This is where you're gonna put the link here. What you have to do now, look closely here. Before I show you the step-by-step method, because you need to watch this video until the end, you can't just directly promote this URLs and website which I'm going to show you, because you get blocked. That's why we are creating a landing page on Google site. So watch the video until the end, because these are the important steps. Before that, guys, if you are enjoying this video, show your support by clicking the like button on the bottom of the video. Now what you have to do, go to the videos. This is the one of the video, right? Click this share button and copy this link. Come back to your dashboard, put it on here. Okay, then click shorten. Now it will give you the shorten link. This is the shorten link, right? Copy this. Now go to your Google site. This is my Google site. Click this watch now button, highlight the link button, delete it, put your new URLs on here. You can do the same thing with the other video, because I didn't put anything. Click share button on here. Copy it. Go back to your dashboard. Click shorten. And this is your new URLs. Right? Copy that. Go back to your Google site. Click the watch now button. Delete your old URLs, put the new one. Click update, guys. Now if you go back to your dashboard and click my manage link or link, and you can see these are the two links that you are generated now. Now what you have to do now, go to Google site. This is done. You can add more videos if you want. Click publish like that. Now your video is published. Click this URLs. This is your URLs. Copy this. Now what you do, go to bit.ly. Because there's a big URLs, people are kind of confused when they're clicking the big URLs, so you need to shorten that. Click this one called copy and paste that link here. Also, you have to click this one create, and what you do, put the long URLs on here and click create. Now this is your shortened URLs. Copy that. Go back to Grammarly or Word document, and you're gonna type basic sentence like this one. These are 3 YouTube Facebook ad free courses from YouTube. Allow me to make 10,000 per month, something like that. You need to give some value, something like that. 2 line is fine. After you type that, you're gonna put the URLs on here. Now you're gonna copy it and you're gonna go to website like this one. Go to Google and type Facebook ad forum. These are the forum people are talking about Facebook ads. People are helping others. Now what you do, click any forums like a warrior forum here. Now what you have to do, you need to join with it. You need to create a free account with it. After that, you need to contribute these questions. Need free Facebook ad, advert partner, free books. You can see people are promoting lots of other things. You need to go there and answer, copy and paste your answer. You're going to do the same thing with Facebook. You're going to go to Facebook and search Facebook ads, and you're going to find the pages on Facebook ad. You're going to join with it, and you're going to provide value, and you're going to copy and paste this link, because Facebook won't block this link, because it's not a spammy looking link, because it's a Google site link. Now if you copy this shortened URLs and put it on the search bar, your site is ready. Whenever people click this watch now, it will take to here. This is a short format. They have to click continue. I'm not robot, and click continue. They will ad displayed on that, and for that you get paid for that, guys. Simple and easy. So this method works with any topic that you are interested in. Should be a cooking, that could be in a gaming, pet, whatever the topic that you're interested in. Find those videos and make sure those videos are published this year, not all videos, and with a higher view rate. So, and what you have to do, install vidIQ tools, then it will allow to download those thumbnails and build your Google site landing page. It's completely free. Then what you do, promote those Google site link with all the platform which I showed you. You can promote it anywhere you want, Quora, Twitter, lots of other websites that you can promote it, and you can make money online without getting blocked from this website, because when the people click it, it will only take them to called Google site, so it won't block anything, guys. I hope guys you understand these videos. If you have any question, let me know. I will make a detailed video for you guys. And also in the comment section, write me where you from, so I want to thank you personally for watching my video, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.